83 million, 37 million, 23 million. All in just a few days. You've probably seen those viral videos on YouTube made with Sora2. But if not, let me show you right now.
Are you kidding me right now? Who wanted this? And don't you start yelling at me. I know you were both in on this.
Mommy, open the door. It's cold outside. Mom, open the door and I'll give you a kiss. Mwah! No! Drop him! Daisy! Oh my God!
By now, you've probably figured out why this video is going viral. And if you want to learn how to make videos like this yourself, stay tuned. In this video, I'll be showing you 2 super easy methods. To create videos like this, we're going to use Sora2. Just head over to jxp.com. I've dropped the link in the description to make it easy for you. Now, JXP is packed with super useful tools. I actually use it myself to make lip sync videos, because unlike most platforms that limit you to just 10 or 15 seconds, here you can create lip sync videos with no time limit. Pretty cool, right? And you also get access to some next level AI models for image generation and editing, like Chrono Edit, Google's Nano Banana, Seedream 4, Seedream 3, and SeedEdit 3. And when it comes to AI video models, you've got WAN 2.5, my personal favorite, Halo 2.3, Sora2, one of the most powerful AI video generators out there, Google's Veo 3.1, Seedance Pro, and Veo 3. But in today's video, we're just gonna test out Sora2 and see how it performs in creating viral videos. Sora2 gives you both text-to-video and image-to-video options, but for this tutorial, we'll be sticking with text-to-video since that's all we need for our viral clips. Now, there are 2 versions, Sora2 and Sora2 Pro. Both support landscape and portrait aspect ratios. With Sora2, you can create videos up to 10 seconds long. With Sora2 Pro, you get the same aspect ratios, plus 2 resolution settings, standard about 720p, and high quality is about 1080p. You can even make 10 or 15 second videos there. For what we're making today, the regular Sora2 is more than enough. It does the job perfectly and saves your credits. But hey, if you want that extra boost in quality, go ahead and try Sora2 Pro. Now that we're ready to generate some viral video prompts, we'll be using ChatGPT for that. Just open a new tab, go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're done, scroll down to the video description, you'll see all the viral video prompts right there. Just copy them, open ChatGPT again, and type, "Write me more comedic viral video prompts like this." Then paste those prompts, hit send, and boom, ChatGPT will start generating a bunch of new viral prompts for you. Now review all those prompts and copy the ones you like. For example, copy the Parrot orders pizza prompt. Then go to the JXP website, paste the prompt, and click generate. The video will start generating. So, it usually takes around 2 minutes for a 10-second video to generate. About 150 to 200 seconds. Once it's done, here's what I got.
Come in! Leave it on the table!
Hello?
Extra cheese, no anchovies!
What the?
Extra cheese, no anchovies! Good human. Come in! Leave it on the table!
As you can see, it created this hilarious scene. The delivery guy hears someone inside saying, "Come in. Leave it on the table." He totally thinks it's a person, but turns out, it's a parrot. That unexpected twist makes the whole moment super funny and fun to watch. Now we'll create another video. For that, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the frog on skateboard prompt. Then we'll return to the JXP website, paste the prompt, and click generate. The video will start generating automatically. Alright guys, our video's ready. Let's hit play and check out how it turned out.
Hold it! Sticky little guy!
Yes, he landed it!
No way! Look at him! Chill as ever!
What makes this video so funny is the frog shredding a tiny skateboard like an absolute pro. It's totally unexpected, an animal doing a human-level extreme sport with perfect balance. That crazy contrast is exactly what cracks people up. So, ChatGPT just gave me 10 awesome prompts, but if you want even more viral video ideas, it's super easy. Just type, "Write me more prompts," and ChatGPT will keep generating new ones for you. You can literally get unlimited viral video prompts or ideas this way. Alright, now I'll make a video from one of these new prompts, so you can see how it works. I'm gonna copy the third prompt, the banana robbery one, then jump back to JXP. Paste it in the workspace, and hit generate. The video will start creating itself, and when it's done, I'll play it for you.
Nobody move! Empty the register, now!
Is that a banana?
Just do it! Whoa!
Here, on the house.
Thanks?
So, it's funny because it mixes serious setup, ridiculous object, physical fail, deadpan reaction, creating a perfect mini-comedy sketch inside a few seconds. Okay, second method time, and this one's a game changer. Once you get it, you can recreate any viral clip, even make multiple versions fast. Step 1. Open a new tab and go to gemini.google.com. Step 2. Open another tab and go to YouTube. Step 3. Search for the title of a viral video. I'm searching for cat blaming dog as an example. Step 4. Click Shorts so you only see short-form videos. You'll see a list of viral shorts, pick one you want to copy. Step 5. Play that short, hit the share button, then click Copy to copy the video URL. After that, open a new tab and search for online YouTube video downloader. You'll see a list of different downloaders, just pick any one of them. For example, I'm opening this one. Now paste your YouTube video link, click Download, and choose the resolution you want. I'm selecting 720p here. Then click Download again, and your download will start right away. After that, go to gemini.google.com, click the plus button, and then click Upload Files. Upload the video you just downloaded. Next, type a simple prompt. What's happening in this video, and hit Send. Now Gemini AI will analyze your video and describe what's happening in it. It will also generate a detailed prompt for you. Next, copy that prompt, go back to the JXP website, and paste it there. Since I only have 80 credits left, I'll show you how to make one video using Sora2 Pro. For the resolution, I'll select High, then click Generate, and the video will start generating. Alright, the video is ready, let's play it.
Are you kidding me right now? Who came up with this? Don't you start yelling at me! I know you were both in on this! You got chicken on your paws!
See how easily we created a viral style video in just a few steps. Now, if you want to generate more viral video prompts like this, just give Gemini a simple prompt, write me more viral video prompts like this, and hit Send. Gemini will instantly give you new ideas for more funny or viral videos. So that's it for today's video. I've added all the links and prompts in the description, make sure to give them a try, and definitely check out the JXP website as well. Thanks for watching.